Welcome back to the world of coasters. Today we're in the Big Blue Hotel and I'm going to be doing a room tour of the room we're staying in. We are staying in a deluxe double room. We got upgraded from a standard double to a deluxe double room, room 127. So let's go in and have a look around. Bear in mind me and Louise have been staying in this room, so there is clutter on the floor and clutter everywhere. If you're a fan of the series, you do realise that me and Louise, we don't exactly put stuff away properly when we're in hotels. Totally different at home, but hotels just like we use the bags and the sofas and stuff. But yeah, let's start with, firstly when you come in you really notice how much room you have in this like walkway areas. It's like huge. The thing about the deluxe double rooms is they have a larger bed, more room, bigger TV and so on and so forth. Right, so going into the main area, the room has aircon, which is really good, keeps the room nice and cool. Down here we have a table which can be used to do your makeup on and all that. The mirror is absolutely huge. Hi there. Coming around to here, there is a little like workstation with a desk, so if you had a laptop or something like that, you could quite easily set up there and do stuff. We've been, charging our stuff and equipment there. The TV is this absolutely huge Samsung TV, which is really good. It's a HD TV and it's got to be a 32-inch, it might even be a 40-inch to be honest. There is an electric fireplace which actually works and has a purpose. It serves, it heats. Just got to turn the, where is it? There we go. So now that's heating and gives a nice fiery effect. The deluxe double rooms also come with two chairs, which I said to Louise, these would be great if it was a sofa, so you could like cuddle while watching TV, but nope, it's just easy to watch in bed. Got some nice artwork from the Hot Ice show on the wall, and there's your heater down here. The bed is a large double. I don't know whether it's quite a queen size, but it's definitely a large double. It's a very big bed and it's very comfy. You've got your standard like bedside tables. There are no sockets either side, which does suck. In a hotel that was made in 2003, I would expect there to be sockets next to the bedside, but no. If we move around to here, you can see we got the kettle round here. You get stocked up with biscuits every day, milk every day, tea and coffee. I don't know what brand it is. It's Yorkshire tea here. Great, we love Yorkshire tea, and yeah, I might actually have a cup of that in a minute. I didn't know it was Yorkshire tea. One thing that we did realise that was missing from this is there is no safe or deposit box in this room. You have an iron and you have a cupboard with plenty of hangers, but no safety deposit box. Whether you can request that or not, I don't actually know. But we have various cameras. I've got this camera, I've got my GoPro. It is nice if I leave them in the room to have the knowledge that I have somewhere secure to put them, because these are worth quite a bit of money. Going into the bathroom now, we have a very nice bathtub which is big enough for an adult to have a bath in. It's not the deepest in the world, but you can definitely have a lay and relax in there. The shower is extremely powerful, if not a little too powerful, because it kind of splashes everywhere. It does have a shower glass screen rather than curtain. In the deluxe double rooms you get a large amount of various Pascal Morabito, whatever the hell it's called, including bath salts, body lotion, shower gel, conditioner and shampoo. Toilet rolls come with these little things on them. You get two and then one on the roll. You have your towels on a heated towel rack. The toilet with a nice moulded toilet seat, which Louise will agree with me, they mould to your bum perfectly. Moving along down to here we have the sink, which
I've made this very homely, haven't I?
Very homely, yeah. You
brought this with me.
You also get this mirror, which is like super zoom.
Why have we got that?
Oh, I got some ice earlier that lights up so you can get your blackheads and all that.
I don't have any.
Right, so that's the room tour of this double deluxe room in the Big Blue Hotel. I hope it's helped you if you're looking at staying in the Big Blue Hotel. Like I said, we did book a standard room and we got upgraded, and we've been in this hotel twice now and both times we've been upgraded. Last time we were here we booked a double room and we got upgraded to a family room on the top floor. One thing I did forget to show you though, however, which let's go see now. Outside the window, we're on the ground floor so we don't have the best view in the world and it's dark, but you actually get, hold on, you actually get a view of the pleasure beach in all the deluxe rooms. So on the ground floor we can see the big one. When it's light you can see the steeplechase icon and the Big Dipper all down here, but like I said, it's dark at the moment. Have to get a shot of that for you in the morning. Anyway guys, if you like the video, by all means leave a like and a favourite. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until then.